Hello friends, welcome back to Lucky's Casa. Today we are gonna see how to make Choco Oats energy bars. This is the healthy, flavorful snack for everyone. Oats are incredibly nutritious and high in fiber. Also very good for weight loss. So let's see what are all the ingredients. I'm taking roasted oats 2 cups, 1 cup of mixed dry fruits, dairy milk chocolate 4, peanut butter 2 tablespoons, jaggery powder 2 tablespoons, honey 3 tablespoons, and butter 1 teaspoon. Take one bowl which you can make the energy bars, grease it with butter and keep it aside. Take a pan, on a low flame, add 2 tablespoons of jaggery powder and 1 tablespoon of water. Stir this mixture until it melts completely. Once it's done, add peanut butter and melt this completely. Always maintain low flame to make sure the mixture is not burnt. Now add 3 tablespoons of honey and stir well. Here, add chocolate and melt it well by stirring continuously. Once it melts completely, I am adding 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. This can be optional. I am adding here for more chocolate flavor. The choco mixture is ready now. Switch off the flame and add the mixed nuts to it. Stir it well. Now add the oats. Mix it well with the choco mixture. It is mixed well. Now we are going to transfer this mixture into a greased tray. Now spread this evenly by using a spoon. So yes, it is almost ready now. Close this with a lid and keep it in fridge for an hour. We can also make this mixture as laddus and we can call it as oats laddu. After an hour, take the tray out and cut the mixture into desired shapes by using knife. So here we go. The very tasty and healthy Choco Oats energy bars are ready to eat. Enjoy this recipe. Also please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Ta-ta!